single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Bye. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another vlog. So this is going to be a cooking vlog, you guys. And my parents are in town for the week. And my mom always loves when my husband, Mr. B.Smooth, cooks his infamous spaghetti. So he is about to prepare the infamous B.Smooth spaghetti. And so this is going to be like a cooking. I don't know if this is going to be, he said he don't want to talk. So I might just show you guys how he prepares it, how he does his meat and his seasonings and things like that. I'm pretty sure he's not going to want to get on camera because he in chef mode and I don't blame him. So I'll be holding the camera and I don't know if I'm going to do a voiceover or I'll just play some music over while y'all watch him cook. Okay, so let me turn the camera around. You want me to do the voiceover? Okay, he said I need to do, he wants me to do the voiceover. Y'all, editing is really hard sometimes, especially when you're dealing with cooking videos, because you got to get the right angle. The lighting got to be right. You got to move here, move there, move everywhere. But anyway, nevertheless, I'm not complaining. I'm going to keep on doing it. But anyway, all right, so I'm about to turn this camera around and let you guys see how Mr. B.Smooth prepares his infamous spaghetti that my mama loves so much. All right, you guys, and yeah, I'll check in back with y'all in a minute. All right, so what we do is start off. You want to come at least tell us what you got, or you want me to do all that? All right, so we start off with a fresh pack of. Is this ground beef then? Fresh pack of ground beef, family pack size. Of course, then he likes to add the country style smoked sausage links to that as well. Of course, he will use the 4-cheese Italian blend shredded cheese. He's going to be using a garlic clove, some, what these called? Sweet peppers. We got the orange, the yellow, and the red, of course. Make them all festive. And then it's got the green ones right here. Going to be using 2 whole onions, a thing of sliced mushrooms, and some minced garlic as well. And then he's going to be using the linguine noodles. He's going to be using 2 cans of diced tomatoes, the Hunt's pasta sauce, and for the seasonings, he's going to be using Worcestershire sauce. What's this Worcestershire sauce for? Season the meat, brown the meat, okay. Accent, garlic, what is this? Garlic and pepper seasoning, and Italian seasoning. That's all the seasoning that you use? Oh, okay. All right, so these are the ingredients that he uses to make his infamous spaghetti. All right. Okay, babe, it's all yours. And of course, he just said to let you all know. Huh? Yes, you did. You did say that. He said, of course, he put some other stuff in there, but he's not giving out his secret recipe because it's a secret recipe. So there's some other things that he likes to add in there, but he won't tell me what it is, and I don't blame him, and then it's okay. But we're going to see the main ingredients. Okay, so anyway, back to the scheduled program. Alright, so what you about to add now? The diced tomatoes? I like to clean up as I go. I can't help it. I'm in the kitchen with him. So you added your meat back to your vegetables when your vegetables are halfway done, right? You don't fully cook your vegetables.
Okay, I don't want them to be soggy.
Okay, so they can still have like some texture to them. Okay. Oh my God, this stuff smells so good. I ain't giving away his recipe. He already basically gave it a statement that he's not disclosing all the stuff he added to it. I don't even know what all he added to it. Extra. Huh? So we're gonna let that cook down for how long? How long you let that cook? Huh? It depends. When you feel it's ready. Okay. I know. I see you over there. You added sugar. Trying to hide, so I can't see what else you adding in there. Well, I don't care what your mama name is, and I don't care where your mama at. I'm telling you. My mama right over there, and she told me to tell you. My mama told me to tell you to clean up behind yourself with that tomato sauce so it won't be splattered out behind the stove. My mama told me to tell you that. Well, mama, he already said you ain't raised it, right? I'm joking, he didn't say that. Mary ain't raised you right, Byron. That what wrong with you? Boy, when Ricky Smiley told that woman that on their phone, I holler. Some of that's what's wrong with it. You didn't raise her right. Y'all, have y'all tried? Y'all like these Mystics? I like the grape strawberry kind. This kind right here is pretty good. A juice. Huh? Yes, it's pure juice. Y'all, this thing smells good.
So good.
Now that's a vegetable spaghetti right here. Real spaghetti. Oh. We finished, baby. This is about it. Mix it on and see what it look like. Okay, so now the vegetables have really cooked. The meat cooked down. Oh goodness, that looks so good. Did you add Prego to that too? Just a little bit. And then we got the noodles over here, cooking in the stir fry. You want me to stir these up? I know this ain't the right fork, but that's all I can get my hands on. I'm about to yeah. Oh, you're just I'm still you have a we out here on a stretcher. 63 grams. That was okay, guys, so make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. If there are any other dishes that you would like for Mr. B.Smooth to cook, y'all comment down below. Let him know that he needs to do more cooking videos. He doesn't talk much, as y'all can see. I am the talker. So get you a man, girl, who can cook, honey. Get you a man who can cook, honey. And I'll see y'all, I don't know. Bye. Peace.